What a beautiful and a blessed day we have here. Welcome to Chilcot Limited. Our motto, big firm capability, small firm personality. At the current age and time, e-learning is the in thing. We bring to you the MsingiPack E-learning for children from grade 1 to class 8. The content is in line with the CDC current curriculum and approved by the KEECT. What does this MsingiPack entails? Come closer, closer, and closer. Have a seat and let me explain. The e-learning comprises of summarized topics in all subjects from grade 1 to class 8, with images and illustrations. Upon completion of each topic, there are available questions to test the pupil's understanding.
Weekly tasks are also incorporated, keeping the pupils in check throughout their week. The teacher can pull out child's progress report for analysis and also in a position to identify the strengths and weaknesses in real time. For KCPE candidates, they are not left out. There are enough KCPE past papers to give them a competitive edge over the others. Upon identifying candidates' weakness, e-learning gives you an option to concentrate on weak topic areas through numerous KCPE questions.
Kindly note that results are immediate and printable. In addition, it has got answers to all the KCPE questions.
This is the ideal e-learning material to measure your candidate's readiness to the coming Kenya National Examination. Note, it offers the capability to switch grades and multiple students can log in, giving an independent performance report analysis.
In conclusion, it will monitor the progress of your pupils right from day one of their login.
It is both online and offline software. Additionally, it is compatible with Android for tablets and Windows for PCs.
Don't be left out. Get your school's copies today while stock lasts. Our contacts are 0722495544 or 0735188419 and our email is sales@chilcot.co.k. We will be pleased to serve you.